My parents' role in my life. Hello everyone. On this occasion, I want to share a very personality story about my parents, about their sacrifices, which might not always be visible, but have deeply impacted my life. I did not grow up in a perfect family. We lived a simple, you could even say barely. There were times when my parents had to worry about whether they had enough money to last until the end of the month. But what always amazed me was they never made me feel deprived. Tried to ensure that I could go to school, that I could eat well, even if it was just simple disease, and that I felt like life was going well, even though, though they were actually enduring a lot. My father was perhaps a man of few words. He was not the type to give lengthy advice every day, but from his attitude, from his silence, I learned I learned many things. I still remember when I was little, my father often come home late at night, exhausted and with hand rot from physical labor. Yet, despite his hard work all day, he will still smile and joke with me meaningfully. From my father, I learned that love does not always have to be expressed. It can be seen in how someone perseveres, in how someone stays home even when they are tough, in how someone goes to struggle silently without complaining. Then there's my mother. My mother is the person who most often saw me cry, get angry, get scared, and even give up. She was always the first place I come home to. The place a pause to breathe when the world feel overwhelming. She did not always have the answer to all to all my problems, but she always had a way of making me feel like I was not alone. I still vividly remember a time when our family was at its most difficult. My mother would starve me just so I could bring lunch to school. She would say she'd eaten when I fetched she hadn't. As I grew up, I realized that those words were just an excuse to avoid feeling guilty. When I think about it now, my kids feel tight because I feel only just begun to understand the depth of my mother's love. My parents never asked me to be perfect. They did not demand that I always get what grades or that I should be someone they can be proud of all time. All they wanted was one thing for me to try, for me to strive, and for me to be a good person. And I think my parents' greatest contribution to my life was the way they shaped me throughout example, not words. They taught me the meaning of hard work not through lecture, but the road teachers hand that kept working even when they were sick. They taught me the meaning of patience not through book, but through the way they endured pain so their children would keep smiling. Now, the older I get, the more I realize that gray won't be around forever. Time flies, and I start to see my father's hair turning gray and my mother's face starting to wrinkle white again. I'm starting to realize the all thing time. This time, I've been growing while the slowly again. At this point, I travel felt how significant their contribution has been in my life. Without them, I might not be as strong as I am now. I make now understand the value of every dollar, the meaning of struggle, the meaning of family, and the meaning of sincerity. This video, I want to say something I rarely say directly to them. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom. Thank you for fitting for me silently. Thank you for sacrificing so much. I don't even know. Thank you for being the reason I persevere and keep going. No, I can repay all your kindness, but I promise no matter what happens, I want to be someone who can make you smile proudly when you see me. Throughout this video, I want to convey how grateful I am to have parents like them. I hope that one day I can repay their kids' needs, perhaps not with big things, but at least by becoming a person they can be proud of. Concludes my story about my parents' contribution to my life. I hope this story can inspire and remind us to always appreciate our parents because without them we will not